Okay, so here is our scale drawing. It is not drawn to scale, so it's not like 1/4 inch. You can throw a tape measure up here, but it is scaled down. So our drawing here has the total length of our wall, which in our case is 366 inches from corner to corner. And our panels are going to be 48 inches wide, each one. So we need to know how many full 48-inch panels we're going to need. And then the remainder here, it's not going to divide out evenly, so we're not going to end with a 48-inch panel hitting right in the corner. We want to make sure that whatever we end up with is the same size on both sides of the wall, both corners, so it looks nice and even across there. It looks much better when you do that. That's why this math is so important. So we want you guys to use these numbers to figure out the total number of full panels, and then how big are the finisher end panels going to be, how wide those are. So I'm going to show you how to do the math here, and then we want you guys to figure that out and take a picture and email it to us so that we can check and see if you guys know how to do the math here. So I'm going to use a different example, so I'm not giving you the answers, but this is how you do the math for this. So in our example, it's going to be 201 inches from corner to corner. And we're going to use, 36-inch panels here. So in order to figure out how many panels it takes to go across the whole wall, you take 201 divided by 36 inches. So you just figure that out on the job site. You can use your calculator, you can use whatever you need to get these answers. But you need to know how to do the math. So if you take 201 divided by 36, I'm just going to do it for time here, it comes out to 5.5, and I'm just going to stop with 1 decimal. So it's going to take 5.5 panels to get all the way across here. 5 full panels, and then a half a panel for the finishers. Well, we need to know how big is half of a panel. So in order to do that, you just take 36 inches divided by the decimal here, so divided by 0.5. Well, half of 36 is 18 inches. So 36 divided by, or multiplied times 0.5 will give you 18 inches, but that's the total. So you have to divide this remainder, put half of it here, and put half of it there. So what's half of 18 inches? 9 inches. So you're going to have 9 inches here, and 9 inches on this side. That will give you a nice even spacing all the way across the wall.